Welcome to jetNEXUS tutorials for fast, scalable and resilient applications. In tutorial 2 I will show you how to add a virtual service, and this is a virtual IP address and port that traffic is routed to, which then the ALB-X will load balance to a number of real servers. Okay, so let's begin. So first we had to log on to our load balancer called the ALB-X. You can see the URL at the top is HTTPS, and you're getting a certificate error there because it's not it's just a local certificate. So click on advanced and then proceed, and then type in the username of admin. The password is jetNEXUS, all lowercase. Click login, and then you get a blank virtual services and a blank real servers. And before we decide to add a virtual service, we need to look at what network we can put that service on. So I'm going to put my service on the 192.168.101.0/24 subnet, which I've described as my green side or inside, and it's also the interface that my default gateway is on, so I can respond to external clients or any unknown IP addresses. So back to the IP services page, add IP and fill out your IP address. So make sure this is unique. Make sure this is not the ETH0 address. So this is a virtual IP address, not the interface address. So 192.168.101.111, same subnet mask, port 80 for web service, and I'm just going to name this one web lease connections to remind me I've got the load balancing policy of lease connections. Tab to service type and hit the down arrow until you get to HTTP and press enter, and then that automatically focuses on the real server, because a virtual server is nothing without a server in it, a real server. So 192.168.101, and this one is going to be 211. That's what my real server IP address is. Port 80 is automatically configured for you, so we'll tab to the notes and just put in a reminder of web server 1 and press enter, and if we hover over the status we can see it's finding that status. It's now going through its health checks. It's passed the health checks, they've gone green, so we can test that VIP now. So if we open up another tab and go to tutorial.jetnexus.com, that URL will resolve to our virtual service IP address. So we'll just prove that. If we ping that URL, and there we go, 192.168.101.111. So let's have a look just at what's being served. Yep, we can see the content is from web server 1 because we only have one in the pool. Thanks for watching, and please check out the rest of the series from the links below. There's also a link to get your very own ALB-X free trial.